Hello students, I am Harshila Datte, Senior Lecturer of Department of Computer Engineering. In this video lecture, I am going to teach you experiment number 12. This is the last experiment of this DSC subject, Binary Search Tree Traversal. So in this experiment, we are going to implement a program for construction of binary search tree, and we will traverse the binary search tree in with all three methods, that is in order, pre-order and the post order. The practical outcomes of this video lecture is to implement the program to create binary search tree and traverse it in order, pre-order and the post order. These are the practical related questions that I am going to cover it in the DSU live session, and this is the exercise that we are going to solve in DSU live session. Now let us see the program for the binary tree traversing, for construction of binary search tree and then for traversing. So this is the three header files. After that, alloc.h is a header file used for the malloc function. So this is the structure of tree node. Each node of the tree is having data and the two pointer, that is a pointer for the left child, it stores the address of the left child, and RC for storing the address of the right child. In this program we have implement the four function. First function is insert function. It will insert the element or construct the binary search tree with the rule that the element which is at the left child should be less than the root, and the right child should be greater than or equal to the root node. Second function is the in order. In order, we traverse the in order in the LVR, that is L means go to left side, traverse the left subtree in order. V means visit the vertex. R means traverse the right side into the right subtree into the in order. Pre-order, all four are the recursive function. Pre-order algorithm is VLR and post-order is LRV. Let us see this function logic one by one. First we will see the function for the insert function. So this is the insert function, you can see that here. In insert function, initially the first SR is the address of the root node. When initially your tree is blank, so SR is null. When your tree is blank, we insert the first node as a root node with this logic. Then after inserting first node as a root node, then for all other remaining nodes we apply this logic. If your number to be inserted is less than your root node, see here, if it is less than root node, then insert it at the left child as a left child. CLC, insert at the left child. Whatever number you are going to insert at the left child. Otherwise means what? If your number to be inserted is greater than or equal to root node, then insert at the right child. So this is the logic of the binary search tree. If number is less than, go to insert it at the left child. If it is less than or greater than or equal to, insert it at the right side. The next function is the in order. In order function shortcut is LVR, that is, this is also a recursive function. In order, call in order. So first step is what? Traverse the left child as in order. Second step, visit the vertex, means print that vertex data. And next step is LBR, that is traverse the right child in the in order. Likewise, same the pre-order function is there as like algorithm. Pre-order is a VLR, means what? First step is what? Visit the data, visit the vertex and print the data. Then L means traverse the left child in pre-order and then traverse the right child in the pre-order. It's V, L and R. And last function is the post order. Post order is LRV. So in LRV, L means what? Traverse the left child in the post order, traverse the right child in the post order and print the data. So this is how the four functions logic is there. We have seen all the concept in the tree video lecture. So this is the main function. In main function, we first make it blank tree, BT is equal to null. Then we ask how many nodes you want to insert. if in a tree, how nodes of the tree, if these are the 7, so for each 7 nodes we are calling the insert function 7 times. Okay, so let's run this program. First compile it with Alt F9, then Control F9, run it. So enter the nodes, number of nodes. If I entering the node 7, so enter the data. So 60 will be your root, because first node becomes the root node. 65, 90, 62, 50, 45, 53. So these are, I am entering the 7 nodes. So these are the in order traversal of the binary search tree. So there is a one property of binary search tree. If you construct a binary search tree of the numbers and you traverse it in orders, it will give you the ascending order. See, in order traversal is the ascending order of this number: 45, 50, 53, 60, 62, 65 and 90. And in pre-order, the first root node is at the first position. So 60 is the first data, so it will become the root node which is at the first location. See, in pre-order traversal 60 is at first position, and in post order 60 will be at the last position. See, 60 is at last position. So this is the output of the program. So try this program at your home and practice it. Thank you.